All right, we are on video 25 of 25. This is going to be the last one for the starting point on base on Hack the Box here. So let's go ahead and grab that IP address. We'll start off as we usually do with me trying to clear my terminals because I made way too many of them. I'm not even on my normal computer. I'm on my laptop right now too. You'd think I would, not have as many terminals open on my laptop since the screen is like a 32-inch widescreen, but no. But why would I do that, right? All right, let's go ahead and rust scan it. So I'm sitting on the edge of a bed in a hotel room. 22 and 80. All right. Let's go ahead and curl that port 80. See what the hell this thing's built with. What it's running with. And let's some slip knot while we're doing this. All right, we got Apache. Okay, Ubuntu this time. Okay. So now we can actually look for Etsy password this time, right? Okay. So it looks like we have port 22 and 80 up, right? Does it want space in there? Nope. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and check out that port 80. Welcome to base. All right. About services team. Okay, looks like the normal team that they usually have on pages. Can we buy it? Nope. Get started. Nope. Not a very intelligent website now, is it? But we do have a login. Can we bypass it? Nope. Okay, wrong username password. Okay. Just admin. Nope. What about admin password? Maybe? Nope. Okay. So we're not getting anything with that yet, right? Nothing with that so far. That's okay. Let's go ahead and see what we're supposed to be doing here. What's the relative path on the web server for the login page? All right, we got it right here. We have to put that slash in there. Submit answer, okay. Then we have how many files are present in the login directory. Good. That's great. Okay, so now we got to log in somehow. So I don't know if we're going to go for admin or if we need to Ferox buster this thing or something like that. Let's go ahead and set it in the login directory. Can we just log in? Oh, that's stupid of them, huh? Config.php? There's 3 files. That's weird. Why would they do that? We could have fuzzed it and found that also. I also want to check out that config.php. We have login php swp like right there. That's just for the swap file. We have that. .swp. We got this config.php, which we can't actually look at. What about this login.php? Okay, we can look at that. So let's go ahead and move that over to here. From downloads to right here, that guy to right here. And we'll go ahead and we will cat that login. Actually, let's sublime it. Okay, that worked great. Let's go ahead and cat it. Works a little bit better. Can we look for password? Is there anything in here that we can actually find? I see username like right here. I see password like right here. So I'm just trying to see if we can find a username and password in here. Wrong username, password, script, else, header location, upload.php. Okay, this is upload.php. So we know that. That might be somewhere we may actually want to head over to. We haven't even fuzzed this thing yet, but we're getting somewhere. Upload.php. Nope, okay, that brings us back to there, okay. So I grep for pass. Does not like that at all, though, does it? Okay. I wonder if we could do something with this swap to actually be able to read it more or read it better. Or it's like a tool that we can use some of that. Which PHP function is being used on the backend code to compare the user submitted username and password to the valid username and password. Let's see here. Print, header location, upload, session ID, reference. Oh, is it the strcmp? That's bad, isn't it? strcmp's bad in can we strings this guy? Make him look a little bit nicer? Okay, cool, we can. Yeah, I think that's strcmp's bad in a PHP file from what I remember. Okay. I think it is. I think you could like tell it pretty much that you are going to. I think you just said like an equal sign or something like that, if I remember correctly. Is it that like? Is that what they're asking me? Let me see. Yeah, it is. Okay. So with strcmp, username and password bypass. Off bypass PHP juggling. Oh, is that what that's actually called? I just know it as strcmp, and you just put like an equal sign or something like that. I think we need yeah, that like right there. See how it says password that has that bracket equals? Okay. We want to do something like that, like right there. So what we got to do is we're going to have to intercept this. Oh, that's not what I wanted. We want to intercept this guy. And let's go ahead and go to our proxy. Intercept is on, okay. We're just going to say admin. And we're going to intercept it. Now we want to send up, I believe it's just password blank. And then just those brackets, and that's it. I don't know if we actually need to do it for the username also, probably, huh? So let's go ahead and do the brackets, then equals, I think, like that, right? Is that correct? If I didn't click on that random ass picture, that was good. Okay. Yeah, I think that bracket equals, and then we want bracket equals password bracket equals. Let's go ahead and set that to repeater, so I don't have to do it again. We'll see if we get a login successful, or see if we get a different page. Alert, wrong username or password. I don't think that worked, like right there. Do we want password or username equals that? Or do we want to get rid of that? I think we want to get rid of this equal sign. I think that's why. I think we want password that. I think we want like that. Does that do it? Okay, then we get welcome to base. Yep. Okay, cool. So we got username bracket equals and password bracket equals. So we want to get rid of this equals in front of the username like that. There we go. That's HTML juggling. We'll forward off. And we actually get this upload directory, it looks like. Okay, cool. So it is PHP. So now I'm wondering, can we actually upload PHP into here, or we have to do some weird stuff to it? So let's go ahead and get that shell.php and see, is this Windows or is this Linux? Linux. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and it's all because we're listening to. The only reason that we're able to do this is it's all because we're listening to a chord like right now. Good chord, not like the new chord, you know. All right, your file's best to upload successfully. Where? Is there like an uploads directory? I wonder if there's an uploads directory. We still haven't even funded this thing, so. No, okay, there's no uploads directory. What about upload? Okay, we should probably start fuzzing this thing now, because now we need to actually see where was it actually put to, right? And then from there, does it actually change the name of it? Because that's also another problem that we might have, is if it changes the name of it, for like base 64 is the name or something, that's something we need to know. Okay, so it says that it's been uploaded successfully, but network isn't giving us anything about where it's going. Okay. So network didn't give us anything about where it's going. So now we just need to figure out where is this guy actually going. So let's go ahead and fuzz this page. Let's go ahead and Ferox Buster. We'll do a directory list 2.3 medium.txt. And let's try to see if we can figure out where this actually went. There's our login, assets. Jesus. This page has way too much stuff on it. I could actually just look for that shell.php. If it didn't change its name, I could look for something like that too. Could fuff it for that. Saw something yellow down here. Whatever. It's gone now. Way too much crap coming through. Might have to use a different word list so we don't get as much crap, huh? Let's try it with big.txt maybe. Let's see what we got here. We're getting the same exact amount of crap. Good, that's what I like to see. Hey-oh, we got something here. It obviously went to the page. It found something. We just got a callback. So it obviously found some. Where did it upload it to, though? I mean, we got a callback, so, I mean, you know, it obviously found something in there. Right? So obviously went to that page. But how? What? We can go ahead and see it in a var www.html and see like where this is at. /uploaded. Okay, so we know that it's underscore upload. There we go. So it actually went to here and it actually grabbed that shell.php. the Ferox Buster. And we were able to get a callback down here. That is funny. That is very, very funny. Okay. Let's go ahead and that's a new one for me. Scripts full shell. That is definitely a new one for me. Alright, let's go ahead and get a full shell going here. That's one way to do it, right? Do we have sudo? Nope. Okay. ls-la. Let's go ahead and grep tech rwi for password maybe. Okay, that's way too much crap. That's good to see. Do we have like config.php here? We do have a config.php. We did see that right? Was it login? Okay, so username admin and password. This is a good password. So is that the actual password actually get into this thing? Well, we already got into that thing. Never mind. I wonder if is there a database on here? No. Okay. So there's no database on here. I think that. But we do have a password. Is that the root password? I don't know why I just did all that. Always want to check other people's passwords, right? Is there an admin out of the box? We can always try SU to admin. Okay, so there's no username admin. Okay. Let's go ahead and ls-la on /home. See who else is here. Is John? Is that John's password? Is John supposedly the admin on this machine? Okay, he is. Okay, cool. So we are now John. Awesome. And what we want to do over here is actually say /_uploaded. We figure out like which user exists on the remote John. And we actually found his password already. What's the password for John? That is was the full path to the command that user could run as root. Okay, let's go ahead and see sudo tech-l, right? Put in his password and user bin find, which we have actually shown this in another video. We can go ahead and hop over to GTFO bins. We can go look for find. We got sudo. This is a pretty easy day. All right, and we can just go ahead and we can run this like right here. We actually have sudo, so we can just sudo find, and we will become root with that command like right there because it does not drop the privileges. So there we go. And now we are now root. What action can the find command use to execute command? exec. All right, submit the user flag. We are already over here, so we're just cd into /home John. Cat that user.text. Then we'll go ahead and cat that /root/root.text. And then there we go. We have our user and root.text flags, and we are finished with box number 25 out of 25. If you have made it this far, thank you very much for watching all of them. Hopefully you learned something along the way. I know I learned a couple things along the way. Especially we got to that Mirai database that was miserable. But other than that, that was pretty good. I feel like a lot of those are right on target for starting point. And for more information on each box, they have the walkthrough and everything like that. So we are done. We have finished that. So thank you very much for watching if you're on YouTube. And yeah, have a good one.